So now, let's discuss each of the electrolytes. So the first electrolyte that I'm going to discuss is the sodium. So sodium is also known as natrium, and sodium is the major extracellular cation, hence the major contributor of osmolality, which contributes 92% together with chloride and potassium. And sodium is the principal osmotic particle outside of the cell, and its plasma concentration depends greatly on the intake and the excretion of water. So, the reference value for sodium is 135 to 145 millimole per liter. So, its threshold critical value is 160 millimole per liter that attributes hypernatremia, and 120 millimole per liter that attributes hyponatremia. So those two are the disorders that can be found in sodium. So there are also hormones affecting sodium levels. So there are two hormones actually. So the first one is the aldosterone, which promotes sodium retention. And the second one is the atrial natriuretic factor that causes natriuresis. So now let's talk about the hypernatremia and hyponatremia. So hypernatremia is excess water loss, which causes decreased water intake, decreased water intake, excess water loss, hyperaldosteronism, and etc. For the hyponatremia, decreased sodium and decreased water intake. So this causes renal failure, SIAD etch, and mark hemolysis. So there are also methods that can be found in sodium. So there are three methods for sodium. The first one is the FEP, or the flame emission photometry. The second one is the AAS, atomic absorption spectrophotometry. And the last one is the colorimetry. Colorimetry, or the Albanese lane.